Okay, if you're trying to multiply these radicals, notice that the indices are different. And so you can't, as they sit, multiply them. But you could change them to fractional exponents. So this would be x to the 3 over 2 times x to the 5 over 3. And I was thinking because it's a 2 or 3 that I could just make it a 6, but and I guess that may be what happens. But now I'm multiplying common bases, so I need to add their exponents. So that'll be x to the whatever 3 halves plus 5 thirds is. And I guess I have to do a common denominator, which will be 6. So it'll be 9 6 plus 10 sixths. So that'll be x to the 19 sixths. So then I could take that fractional exponent and convert it back to a radical. So it will be the 6th root of x to the 19th. So the index does come to be 6, but that exponent changes.